I'm Pierre from VdubTech, one of the co-owners. We do old school classic VW restorations. With my partner, you dream it, we build it. I always had a rotary Beetle, built one. If you don't want to work, then you must do what you love. So I'm loving what I'm doing, so I'm not working a day in my life. Our business started with the ad Vuyo's Vos. We had a client that had the idea of Vuyo's Vos. We built the first food truck about 10 years ago. Right guys, this is, as mentioned, the Westphalia that we're building for client. It's a full camper built by VW that we are busy refurbishing. Advantage of it is because it's already a camper, it makes our life easier. You'll have your basin with running water. We'll do a grey tank underneath to catch all the grey water, because that's one of the requirements that office blocks in a lot of places require. What you bring in is what you take out. So you use gravity feed for your water, because when you do food and prep food, you can prep your food here with your spices underneath, and you can have your gazebo and you can sell your food from out. Then if need be, if you got a small kid, on the top there's a bed and a bed in the back. The seat goes to a full rock and roll bed, and you can make food all year. So it's a one-man band. Off you go. Food trucks, that's what it's about. Then we go to the next one, Noah. Noah is the limo Kombi that we've done. Noah has been built to party. Noah has got an electric rag top, okay, that we open by the press of a button when the ignition is on. Then you can open it. You know, a limo you have to rock out with your hands out. So we've got a decent sound system. We've got a 6-vent aircon evaporator in the back to keep the beers cold. We've got power steering. We've got a decent driver that's going to drive you around, and it's a party bus. We've got power for the fridge. What else more do you want? Parties, corporate functions. This is what this bus is built for. Right, the next one, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the vending buses. This is now a kegerator. All right, it's got 6 taps. As mentioned before, you can have 6 various different brands. Ladies and gentlemen, this pub is now closed. So, to fold up, it's very easy. Fold down the brackets, lock it with a key, ready for action next time. All right guys, thanks for visiting, and if you got some crazy ideas, come visit us. There you go. After all things good, it's time to go home.